Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable enhanced Google Safe Browsing to boost your online security. This feature provides more personalized protection against dangerous websites, downloads, and browser extensions. Whether you're on your Android smartphone or your desktop computer, just simply follow these steps and you should be able to enable the settings. So without wasting any more time, let's jump right in. First, just simply open your browser. Let's say, for example, Google Chrome. Then your account should be right over here. Just simply click on that and then click on Manage your Google account. Now over here, just simply go to the Security tab, which should be right over here on the left-hand side. Now just simply scroll down, and after scrolling down, you should be able to see an option called Enhance Safe Browsing for your account. Click on that option, and then under Enhance Safe Browsing, enable this option. Then a pop-up window will appear in front of you. You can see what this feature will do in this section. Then after reading it, just simply click on Turn On, and that will enable the Enhanced Safe Browsing on your account for your Windows browser. Now let me show you how to do this on your Android device. So on your Android device, just simply go to the Settings menu, and then in the Search option, search for Google. Now over here, this will open Google Settings. Then you will have all the Google services. And if you have multiple email addresses linked with your phone, click on the email address over here. You should see a drop-down menu, click on that, and you should be able to see all the email addresses on your phone. Now over here, just simply choose on which email address you want to enable the Enhanced Google Safe Browsing option, and then just simply click on Manage your Google account. After that, just simply go to the Security tab, then just scroll down to the very bottom, and right over here, you should be able to see Enhanced Safe Browsing, so click on that option. Now over here, just simply click on this toggle option, and again, click on Turn On, and that will enable the feature on your Android device. So that's it. Whether you are using your Android smartphone or your desktop computer, you should now know how to enable enhanced Google Safe Browsing to protect yourself online. If you found this video helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.